welcome to Rockin' Kitchen. Guys, today we gonna rock this kitchen, guys. We gonna rock it really good. Guys, what we got today, guys, is the mug. The root beer mug roasted chicken. So what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna use mug as part of the marinade for the roasted chicken that we are gonna do today. So I'm gonna let you know what are the ingredients that we're gonna be using for this mug root beer chicken. These are the ingredients, guys. Number one, you're gonna need a whole chicken like this one. You're gonna need for that also 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 can of root beer, 12 ounces. You're gonna need 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. You're gonna need 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. You're gonna need 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper. You're gonna need some salt and peppers to taste. And you're gonna need 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. And you're gonna need 2 tablespoons of minced onions. And guys, since we got now all these ingredients ready, let's get started. Alright, so what we're gonna do now, guys, we're gonna cut in half the plexus of the chicken right now. So we're gonna put it here now in the cutting board. And now this knife, now we're gonna cut the plexus. So that way it will be easy to marinate the chicken. This is all we're gonna do. We only wanna cut it in 2. Now the next thing that we're gonna do now is now we are going to marinate the chicken now. We're going to marinate the chicken. Okay, we got the bowl and we got everything ready, and we're gonna put now the chicken inside the bowl. And we are starting now first with the liquids. We're gonna start using the liquids first, and then we're gonna put the spices on top, and we're gonna rub all together. So we're gonna start now with the soy sauce. I'm gonna start using the soy sauce now. Like that. We're gonna use now the root beer now. Put everything has to be put there. All right. All right. I'm gonna put now the sesame oil. And now that we got all that, now we're gonna put the rest of the ingredient. Now we're gonna put the cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper. All right. You're having here a very good marinade, guy. All right. Now we're gonna put now the sugar. All the sugar, everything has to go. Everything there. Alright. Now we're gonna put now the salt and the pepper. Alright. And the sugar, guy, everything is completely, we gotta leave this guy overnight. Alright, now we're gonna put the garlic. Open the plexus here a little. Then we rub something now. Now we're gonna put the onion. So all these spices, all the liquids, all the spices, all the root beer gotta be all together there to take the most of the flavor. That's what I keep telling you guys in most of my cooking reviews. It's like the marinade is very important. So now we got all this thing. We already complete, we give them already a very good bath. Now we're gonna leave them in this marinade. We're gonna cover the top and we're gonna put it in the refrigerator now for 24 hours or at least overnight. All right, we're gonna put now the plastic. All right, we cover now in the plastic now, guys, and now we're gonna put it in the refrigerator. And I see you guys. Stay tuned, guys. I see you guys in a few minutes. It's a few minutes, gonna be tomorrow. Okay, guys, stand by. We're gonna put the chicken. We're gonna put it now on the oven. We're gonna put it for around. We're gonna put it at 450. Put it at 450. We're gonna let it cook a little more than an hour. So I see you guys in a few. All right, guys, we are back. So let's check on this mug root beer roasted chicken. All right. So let's take them out from the oven. Whoa, baby. Look at this, guys. As you can see, the chicken has been cooked with all those juices from the marinade from last night. You see how nice and even everything cooks all together. Also with the help of the foil at 450 degrees for more than an hour. So that's the results. So now let's try it. I'm very interested to know now how will it taste like. Wow, super moist and tender. And you can feel that it absorbs all those juices are inside because it's not dry. It's very moist. Got all those juices from overnight. It tastes like a spicy root beer. How about it? Like a root beer with a hint of spicy flavor. Super delicious and super good. Wow. So guys, thank you for allowing me to share another recipe with you. I will see you guys soon again for another cooking food review. So take care of yourself and please don't forget to subscribe and please hit the notification bell. And every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. You'll be the first one who'll be notified about Rockin' Kitchen with Paul Diaz. Take care of yourself and God bless you all. And sayonara, amigos. Bye.